Dear children, today we will learn the amazing story of Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam, the king who could speak to animals by the permission of Allah. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam was the son of Prophet Dawood alayhi salam. Allah gave him great wisdom, knowledge, and a powerful kingdom. He ruled with justice and kindness. Allah also gave him a special miracle. He could understand the language of birds and animals. One day, Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam traveled with his great army. There were people, horses, birds, and many animals moving together across the desert. As they marched forward, a tiny ant saw the large army coming. The little ant quickly warned the other ants, "Go into your homes so you do not get harmed by the army of Sulaiman alayhi salam." When Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam heard the ant speaking, he smiled with kindness and immediately stopped his army so the ants would remain safe. He thanked Allah for giving him the ability to understand his creation. Another day, the Hoopoe bird came to Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam with important news about a faraway kingdom ruled by a queen. The people there worshipped the sun instead of Allah. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam sent a respectful message to the queen, inviting her and her people toward the worship of Allah alone. By the permission of Allah, amazing miracles happened in the kingdom of Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam. Even the winds and powerful creatures obeyed him. But despite all this power, Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam always remained humble and thankful to Allah. Dear children, this story teaches us to be kind to animals, use our blessings wisely, and always thank Allah for everything we have. Do you want to hear the next Prophet story? Then comment below, like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful Islamic stories for kids.
For more educational videos and stories, subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page.